I'm going to walk you through how to edit the checkout page on Squarespace, whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your online store or align the checkout experience with your brand. Customizing this page can significantly enhance the shopping journey for your customers. Let's dive in and explore how you can make these important changes. To begin, navigate to your home menu. From there, you'll want to go to the website section and then select design. This is your gateway to modifying the aesthetic elements of your site. Once you're in the design section, look for the option labeled Checkout Page. Clicking on this will open up the specific style editor dedicated to customizing your checkout page. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to start customizing. First, consider uploading your business or research logo. This is a great way to replace the default site title with something more visually impactful. Having your logo prominently displayed helps reinforce your brand identity and creates a cohesive experience for your customers. Next, let's focus on the background and color scheme. It's important to adjust the background color of the header and also the purchase button. These are key areas that can make a significant visual impact. Aligning these colors with your brand's palette will not only make your checkout page look more professional, but also create a seamless transition from the rest of your website. Remember, consistency in color schemes helps to build trust and make your brand memorable. Typography is another crucial element to consider. When selecting fonts, it's essential to prioritize readability. The checkout page is where customers review their orders, and you want to ensure that this process is as smooth as possible. Choose fonts that are clear and easy to read, avoiding overly decorative styles that might distract or confuse users. A clean, simple font will enhance the user experience and ensure that customers can easily understand the details of their purchase. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create a checkout page on Squarespace that not only looks great but also provides a seamless and efficient experience for your customers. Remember, the goal is to make the checkout process as straightforward and pleasant as possible, encouraging customers to complete their purchases with confidence. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now ready to customize your Squarespace checkout page to perfectly fit your brand. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy designing!